Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to call Siri using your TCL MoveAudio S200. At first we need to take both earbuds out of the case. And here we have to locate the touch areas, which are somewhere here. Now, as you can see, it worked, but we have to hold the finger on the touch area for 2 seconds. Now it somehow doesn't work, but as you could see, it worked earlier. As you can see, it doesn't work really well for me, but I hope that it works really well for you. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye!